What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a chart trading pattern. Check it out. Alright guys, so about a month ago, actually a month ago, I did a video that got an immense amount of views. Excuse me. And in that video, we had a lot of comments and a lot of positive feedback, and so a couple of people asked me if I would do some videos on chart patterns that I like. So we've had a very kind of like spotty and choppy July and start of August, with the overall markets now dipping over the last 3-4 trading sessions with real strong pullbacks, which I'll show you in a second. And earnings season plus summer trading has caused, small caps primarily, which is what I trade a lot of, to be extremely choppy and just not trader friendly. So I haven't been trading them. As a matter of fact, if you follow me, if you have subscribed, you've seen that I've been trading a lot of options recently. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button and the subscribe button for me so you can stay tuned to every single one of the videos I drop. Now, what I did do was, I think it was about a week, I want to say a week or two ago, there was a small cap that made a real nice move. I didn't get to trade it. I saw the chart after the fact, and I saw that it was a great setup. So I went ahead and took a screenshot and prepared it for this video. So we're going to go over it. There's two patterns in this chart that I would have traded guaranteed had I been able to, been there for the setup. So we're going to go ahead and get that here on the screen for you. And as I do that, one more time, remember to smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out. Comment down below as well. Really helps out the channel a lot. You have no idea how much. When you guys interact with me on here, you smash the like button, you comment in the comment section. I enjoy, talking with everyone, and it also helps the video scale up, which is great because that allows more viewers, which allows more feedback, which allows me to make more videos. So, all right guys, so I did mention I was going to show you the last 3 or 4 trading sessions on the SPY and why I've been trading options. Well, I've been trading puts pretty much exclusively the last week and a half or so, from BYND all the way to SPY to the SPY here. You can see the SPY here has gone from 300 and change all the way down to low day of 285 and I believe 20 cents. Well, even though here I'm trying to mark it, but I can't. So we've had, some real downtime here. 1, 2, 3, 4 trading sessions in a row on huge volume. Let me see. You can see that volume. There you go. Huge volume right there. So we'll see. Market's extremely bearish right now. You should see this 5-minute chart. It looks like an OTC stock. And see, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight back down, 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 down. That's just like OTC trades. It's pretty funny. So that's it. All right, guys, let's jump into the lesson itself. Okay, this stock was SMSI. It had made a real nice move. What happened here, we gapped up, as you can see. Okay, we gapped up and then we pulled in. Once we pulled in, okay, this is one setup that I would look for. Give me one second. One setup I would look for here is I would look for it to set a base. Okay, you can see here that it sets a base right underneath VWAP. It pops up, VWAP is rejected, pops up again, VWAP rejects the stock, pops up again, VWAP rejects it a little, and then we pop up right in front of VWAP. What I would have done here, what I've learned, is I would have taken a starter position here. Golly, the SPY is getting lower, guys. I would have taken a starter position down here, okay? Just a starter feeler, because if this fades on down, we're going to get stopped out. We're now holding bags. We don't do that. And the loss would be extremely small. So I'd take a starter position here, and then I would look to add as we break through VWAP and volume starts to increase, which you see here, volume starts to increase. I would add to my full size position here. And then I would look to take profit in front of the high of the day, which at this point is up here near this $5 area. Okay, so that's what I would do, and not take full profit. I take some profit off up here depending on market conditions, depending what cushion I have, depending how I'm doing on the day, week, month, I will take anywhere from just a quarter of the position off to half of the position off to even 75% of the position off up here. Okay, so it's a lot of variables. It all depends on what's going on, market overall, you know, on the market in small caps and what I'm trading, how I'm doing personally, etc. Okay, so I would take some of my position off up here, and then I would hold the rest, looking for a break of that $5 area for the big extension, which we see we get here. Okay, so this is the starter. This is the starter. Actually, I did take 2 screenshots of this. This is the second entry. Let me see if I find the other one. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Let me get that over here for you. Perfect. There we go. Okay. As you can see here, how I mentioned, we found support, starter position taken down here somewhere, wherever you can, it's close to the support area. Adding to full size on the VWAP break. First take profit, then I'm holding. I'm holding because this is stress-free right now, right? We're in from here, we're added here, so our average is somewhere around here, this VWAP area. I don't have to stop out of this unless we break under VWAP. I don't have to. And I've already taken some profit here, so, you know, it's pretty stress-free at this point. Then we're holding, looking for that $5 break. We got a $5 break. I immediately take another profit off right there. And then I'm looking now to take profit on the next extension move. In this case, it's up here. Another take profit. Now this final take profit, you can divide it into 2 if you want, and take half here, and then hold and see if we got another extension move, and then take some more off there. I usually scale out in 3 take profits. It would have been my first, my second, and my final, more than likely. Sometimes I do take that final and cut it in half and take it in 2 different spots. I'm trying that, because that's how you keep your winning trades longer. You can cash out, get paid better on them, because you scale out of them. So this would be the stress-free type of setup here, because you're taking a very small starter here, you're adding here, very conservative. Then the second setup would be this one. We did not take this. We missed it, let's say. We didn't want to take it. We did not buy the break of the VWAP itself. Okay, so nothing. We're no position yet. No position yet. But then all of a sudden we start to notice we're holding this area here. Okay, we're holding. I actually remember paper trading this, because this is when I saw it. I wasn't even trading that day. I didn't think I traded. And I opened up my charts and saw this. Didn't even open up my broker and saw this chart. And that's when I took the screenshot. So we would take an entry here. You can take full size if you want. It's very safe. You know where you're at, right? So you would take your first entry here. And you found support here, 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 and here, and here. So you can take your first entry. Then, as soon as you break through $5, that $5 area, take some profit. As we extend again, take more profit. As we extend again, another take profit. So there's 2 chart patterns. You can call them whatever you want, okay? Some people call the first one I showed you a double bottom gap up, because it gapped up, set up a double bottom, and then took off. You can call them whatever you want. The point is that you have a setup. It's a legitimate setup. We have support here and here. Take a starter, add, profit, 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 and profit. In this case here, you have support here, 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 all this area, which is also this area of like the initial morning high here. So you're taking profit. I mean, you're taking your position here, taking profit on the first breakout, taking profit on the second breakout, and taking your final profit on the third breakout. I think it's very conservative. You know, you're consolidating sideways here, very small decrease in volume, so that means there's no selling pressure. And every time you break out, there's a volume increase, breakout, volume increase. And then this breakout here had a smaller volume increase than the previous one, but it's still good volume. Let me see, where's the other one again? Now we're going to look at the volume on this one. How can I? Okay, so there we go. Big volume at the open, small volume here in the support area, so there's not a lot of selling going on. As we break over VWAP, increase in volume, add to the position. First take profit on that big pop, and then again the same procedure all over again. So I think these are very stress-free, very easy to follow chart patterns. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite chart pattern? What pattern do you want to see me review? I'll put it up here for you, no problem at all. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more of my watch list and stuff like that, my Twitter is in the description section below, as well as my Instagram. Feel free to DM me on any of those platforms, and I will catch you on the next one.